Right, hello. I wanted to make a bit of an update, bit of a devlog. What have I been up to on my development journey, I suppose? I've mostly been stressing out about performance. Stressing out about optimization and performance. But I think I did overreact in the end. I've mostly been worried about, how many vertices should I be using on my on my plants and things. So maybe you can notice I've got a lot less sort of I'm using the grass a lot more. I've got a lot less sort of plants. I got these bulrushes still, right? But mostly leaning on the grass because I know it's cheap and performant. But these trees are not performant. But anyway, I've got all of the I've been decorating a bunch of the islands and everything. The main thing I'm worried about at the moment is the sky. Okay, this sky is very expensive, unfortunately. I like it a lot, and I think I might stick with it because I like the sky, especially when I've got it moving. It's not moving at the moment. I haven't set it up. But I like this guy. See, I've been decorating these little islands. So I've got like ivy all over the island and all over the tree and stuff. And I think it looks really nice. So I've just been decorating islands. And which is a lot of fun. Oh no. Oh no. Let me cheat for a second. You can see how this game could get really frustrating if there's no checkpoints. And so I'm thinking of adding in checkpoints for I'm gonna have multiple modes. So there's gonna be a hard mode and an easy mode. And in the easy mode, well, the normal mode, I will call it the normal mode and the hard mode because I think players will appreciate that a bit more. So yeah, this is the next island I decorated. It's a lot of fun decorating the islands. It feels a lot like I'm playing Zoo Tycoon, or no, Planet Zoo is the game. Yeah, it feels like I'm playing Zoo Tycoon or Planet Coaster or one of those games. It's a lot of fun decorating the islands. And yeah, so I've been stressing about optimization and performance. But again, like I said last time, it's difficult to tell. You know, whether the game is running okay because I've got a relatively good computer. I mean, I'm looking at it right now and I am recording, right? But it's pulling 180 watts on my GPU. And my GPU is using 42%. So yeah, I'm not sure if that's good performance or bad performance. It's really... Anyway, I made this this stone circle sort of thing. And what will happen is you'll enter the stone circle or something, and then it will activate the checkpoint. So when you die, you will spawn here instead of spawning at the very start. If you're on easy mode, if you're on hard mode, you'll just go to the bottom. Of course, this is my first attempt at a bit of a moving island here, so you can see where the gameplay might get quite difficult once you add all these. Yeah, I think I'm going to miss that. once you add all these moving islands and things, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna miss that. Anyway, the rest of the tour I will continue in the editor, I suppose. So where did we go? So I decorated this island here. Put some rocks over it. There's a little tree inside these rocks, stuff like that. And then the last one I did over here. It's just a little bit of like some brambles and some grass and things. And then yeah, I'm ready to move on to the big island over here. I'm very excited. This big island. It's going to be a lot of fun to do, I think. And oh, and I made sure that you can now see all of the islands. That's very important. If I'm going to be making a game like Only Up, right? One of those games, you need to be able to look up and be like, oh. And you need to see the goal. Oh, look at all these islands up here. Oh, I've got to go up. So you need to be able to see everything. I know it would save on performance if I faded all of this out, but I think you need to be able to see everything, unfortunately. So, but yeah, I'm very excited to start working on this game, on this island. It's going to take a lot of assets though, because I want to build the house. I want to build a house here. There's going to be a big garden and all of this stuff, right? Some people are living on this island is the general plan. And then up here, you know, we have more islands. I'm just going to decorate in general. I hate this camera. You need to focus on something to like skip ahead. And then it all doesn't work how you would expect. And then this island is like a bit of a forest. I'm going to hopefully make a forest on this island. And there'll be like a fox that will attack you and ambush you. And yeah. And then this one at the very end, that's going to be the very end. And I might add one little like side island. One more island. One more big island with a lake on it and waterfalls and things like that. Because I think I want to do that. But we'll see. Might be out of scope, to be honest. To all the work I've got to do. But it's coming along quickly. I just got to get my head down, not worry too much about the optimization, I think. If I need to change the sky to a more performant one, I will. But I think, you know, this sky is probably worth it. I don't know. Is it that good? There are lots of options, lots to think about, lots to ponder and choose. But we'll see. All right. Thanks.